Let's make some yummy donuts, guys. It started off by putting about 700 grams of flour, added some sugar and my yeast with a pinch of salt. Then I added some powdered milk. After that, I added the yeast. This yeast, I really don't know how to preserve it. If you know how, please let me know. Okay, I added about 2 tablespoons of this yeast, then drizzle a little bit of vanilla flavor and milk flavor. Then added two raw eggs, then some milk. Just mix together till it come together like this. Then I started kneading it. I added this butter at this time. So just whip it on the floor and knead it very well. So once it's come together, you drizzle a little oil in your bowl, add it, cover it tightly and put it in a warm place for it to proof. At this time it has proofed, so I just deflate the air inside, then knead for the second time. Then I bought this cutter, I just use it to cut because I don't want that round shape. I want it to have this hex pentagon shape, or what's it called. So this is what I have. I will show you the other one that is looking like green. Okay, then this I just made some kind of glazing I will use. I added some powdered milk and sugar and heat it up. Then this is coconut flakes. So guys, this donut is delicious. Like, it was yummy, creamy and nice. Guys, it was just melting in the mouth. I really love it. If you want us to show you this recipe, kindly leave it in the comment below. Share it for others to see. Bye.